Alright, so here is a tutorial of how to create a fake paper app. So you go and type developer.paper.com, you click go, you click on it, on the link for the developer.paper.com. So when it opens, you click on sign up. Let me open in desktop version. So this is the developer options. Then you click on login to dashboard. You put your information, the real. So when you log into your account now, what you have to do next is, look down at the icons below. You see options on a line, straight line. One shows API credentials, the other shows sandbox accounts, other shows API calls, and so on and so forth. As you can see, click on the sandbox accounts. So now if you look at, you can see the rows sandbox test accounts. You can see, according to what they say, you can use sandbox accounts to test your apps and mimic live transactions. So it can reflect, but it will not go through. After a while, it will be refunded back because it is actually for testing, but the person will actually see pending for sure. So now look at this account name down here. What you have to do is, you can see account name, then you can see default business US August 23. You can see default personal US August 2023. Click on the personal one. Don't click on it though, just click on these three dots at the extreme end of the phone of the account here. It will be showing view/edit account. Click on that one. Click on the view/edit account. So now here is the account that you want to create and that you want to use. So as you can see, the name and the password and everything is already there. The account I am using currently is for multimedia, which is the name of my TV. Look at, as you can see, if you click on edit, let me go back and show you properly. Look at the name, phone, account type, account ID, all of those. You can't edit any of those, but you can edit the name and the paper balance, as you can see. So you can see, look at the pen icon, click on it. So you can change the name anytime you want, save changes whatsoever. I don't want to change the name right now, but if you do, it will change automatically, easy as that. The paper balance as well, you can look at the pen icon, click on it, decide to choose any balance you want. Let me slide back. Let me choose another balance so you can see as it reflects. So I've choose 68. Let's go back, let's make it more realistic. 500, 68, 67, 500. Saved changes. Successful updated balance, as you can see. So the next thing you have to do is look up here. You can see login info. Under login info, you see the URL that you are going to be using to log into your account. Then you are going to see an email. Look at the email. Then you are going to see a password as well. As you can look at the eye there, if you click on it, you can be able to see the password. So these two little boxes showing at the extreme end indicates copy. So if you click on it, it copies what the line. So if you click on it, it copies the email. If you click on it, it copies the password. Click on it, copies the URL code for sandbox paper. So you open another tab, new tab. Then let's say we go back to our old tab. We copy the sandbox URL code, URL. and then we open this new tab and paste it there, then click on go. So it is showing login. So you use the account they gave you. I mean the account you create. It's account they gave you, so you are the one that edited it, you understand? So you can now click on this email, copy it, so you can log in here. It's not copied yet. Click copy it. As you can see, you click on this sandbox, you click on login, you add it here. Nope, I didn't want you to auto do share. So now is the time for password. You go back, you copy the password here, click on those two boxes, click copied, then you come back here and you paste. As you can see, you click on login. Now as you can see, the balance I inputted have reflected $67,500 US. You can actually change the currency. I will show you that later, but right now this is it. So you can click on the three boxes at the other side. As you can see, I clicked on it. You see the dashboard, you see the finances, send and request money, deals, wallet, activity, all of those. You can transfer money here, either to a PayPal account or to a normal bank account, but not Nigerian, you know. So you can see transfer from your PayPal balance to your bank account. You see, you request a check by mail, add money to your balance. You can see you can actually add money to your balance from here, only from the other side. Everything that you want to edit has to be only on the other side, but making live transactions can be done here. So as I've clicked there, now you can see standard free, typically in one business day. This is the only account linked to it. You can add other accounts like the sales account, you get, or whatsoever. Like if you go back right now to send and request money, you see, you can send money to your contacts. That means it can be sent through email, you know, PayPal, and that's how it goes. So send money, you can input an email here, which is the email of the CL. You know, PayPal account number is usually an email. You get, the account number is an email. So if you put the sales PayPal email here, that means you have put the sales PayPal account details. You can now send any amount of money you want, and it will actually reflect under the sales PayPal and transaction history that pending receiving payment pending, you get, of a certain balance. But it will not reflect because the account is basically for testing, but it's used to reflect live transactions. So the person will not be able to figure out how the money came in but didn't reflect. That you can get an excuse to be able to build the CL, or you can decide to choose any of the bank you want, you get, and it's after sending it you can actually create an invoice perfectly easy, so the person can understand that the transaction was real, and you know you can't actually fake PayPal's transaction. So you see, it's going to be really legit. So this is how it goes, it works. That's all about it. I don't want to send invoice, bro. Let's go back. I want to show you something here real quick. Okay, as you can look at the name, I edited the name. Look up here, you will see Naughty Media. That's the name of my TV, and to show you that I edited it, so you can edit it to the name you are using to chat the sale, so the sale can know it's a live account, and you can even decide to record it and send it to the sale so that the seller can know that you are actually doing everything for real and it's live. So the person should know you are not lying to the person, you get. But as of the process, you don't have to, you have to make sure you hide the the URL showing on Chrome, sandbox.paypal.com. And in order to do that, it's pretty tough to hide it completely, but you can actually do it and re-edit it so that that one will not show. So if you move your screen forward like this, oh, this is my phone and I don't know how to use it properly, but the other phone I can do it with it. If you try it, maybe it might work on your phone, but if you move your screen towards the upside, you realize that the UR and all of those will hide a little bit, and then it will be showing only the blue side. So that's how you can be able to use to screen record, and anytime that it shows, you just cut out that part and then add it together so that it will make sense. So now, in order to like create other currencies from other banks with different countries currencies, you have to click on this box, go back to that developer options, go back, look at this place that you saw this personal account, click on, if you look up, you see there is a sign showing create account, there's another sign showing create bulk account. Click on the create account. This way now it will show you a list of accounts you want to. It shows you, do you want to create personal or business. The account we are personally using is personal. This is the fact that business account will show testing over there at the screen of the account, so it will affect you because someone can easily know it's fake, but the personal doesn't show, so you won't be able to see. If you are screen recording to send to somebody, the person will not know it's fake at all because it's showing live account you get. So it should be on the personal. So look at the place, country region, United States. You choose a country region you want. So as I click down now, I can choose the country region I want. So the country region now will reflect with the money that is meant to send it to the place, with the currency I mean. So I don't know, I think I should choose China or something. Which one will I choose actually? I think I should choose India because India is one of the big transaction this thing. You now click create account. So I've chosen India. An account will be added here now. Look at this, the India account has been added here, as you can see. So personal is showing in here. Then you click the three dots, you click view or edit account. Okay. The currency is still showing US dollars. But when you edit it and log in, you will realize that the currency have changed. You get, look at the default name that comes with it is John Dio. So you can edit it, choose the first name, edit, and then the last name, edit to the names you are using. You get, so that's just how it works. So that's just how it works. So thanks and welcome. Thanks for purchasing this fake paper app from Multimedia, and looking forward to making more deals with you.